In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with first name. Personalization is one of the easiest ways to make your messages feel like they were written for a real person, and in Mailchimp, you can do it in just a few clicks using merge tags. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to the home dashboard. From there, create a new email campaign. You'll be prompted with a screen that asks how you want to design your email. To keep things straightforward, choose a simple path and select a basic layout. Then pick a template you like and apply it so you're taken into the email editor. Inside the editor, click into the text block where you want to greet your readers. The most common spot is the first paragraph at the top of the email. Place your cursor exactly where you want the recipient's name to appear and start writing your greeting, leaving room for the name. Now look at the text formatting toolbar and open the Merge Tags menu. This menu is Mailchimp's shortcut to insert data from your audience into your content, things like first name, last name, and more. From that menu, choose first name. Mailchimp will insert a placeholder for the first name right where your cursor is. You'll see a tag rather than a real name in the editor. That's expected. When you send the campaign, Mailchimp automatically swaps that tag with each subscriber's first name from your audience. So hi becomes hi Alex for contacts who have a first name on file. Be sure to add the spacing and punctuation you want around the tag. A clean example many senders use is hi followed by a space, the first name tag, and a comma, so the line reads naturally. A quick note on what happens if a contact doesn't have a first name saved. The spot where the name would go may appear blank, or it may use a default value if you've set one in your audience settings. To keep your copy sounding friendly in every case, write the surrounding sentence so it still works even if a name isn't shown. You can repeat the same process in any other text block where a personal touch fits, like the opening line of a paragraph or a short call out, by clicking into that block, opening merge tags, and inserting first name again. And that's it. You've personalized your Mailchimp email with the recipient's first name. Create your email, choose a basic layout and template, edit your text, open merge tags, and insert first name. This small tweak can make your campaigns feel more human and help improve engagement.